Everybody, today we are going to start chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression? We have to know very well that arithmetic progression means A1, A2, A3 dot dot dot. The first question is that you have to find in the first question 6, 9, 12, 15. You have to find first term. The first term equal to A equal to 6. Then once again write 6, 9, 12, 15 dot dot dot. This is your A1, A2, A3, A4. We have to find in this question that the common difference D. D means A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Firstly, we have to solve A2 minus A1. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. A3 minus A2. 12 minus 9 equal to 3. A4 minus A3. 15 minus 12. We have get in this question first term A. This is your answer. First term A equal to 6. Common difference D equal to this is your common difference 3. We have solved the first questions and we are going to solve the question number 3 of the first. 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. We can also write here A1, this is your A2, this is your A3, this is your A4. Firstly, A1 and A are same, the first term. First term A equal to 3 by 2. Then we have to solve common difference D equal to common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. When the denominator are same, then LCM equal to 2. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 upon 2. This is your minus 1. The common difference D equal we have got minus 1. Then A3 minus A2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 is LCM minus 1 minus 1. Your answer is minus 2 upon 2 then minus 1. We have also got the answer of common difference A3 minus A2 equal to minus 1. Then A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2 minus plus 1 by 2. 2 is LCM minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2 by 2. Answer is here. First term A equal to 3 by 2. common difference d equal to -1. Next, we are going to solve question number 6. If it is given 3, 1, -1, -3. First, a1, a2, a3, a4. First term a equal to 3. Then we have to solve common difference d equal to common difference d. Then we solve a2 minus a1, then a3 minus a2, then a4 minus a3. a2 minus a1, 1 minus 3. Here a2 equal to 1 and a1 equal to 3. 1 minus 3 equal to -2. This is your common difference. Then we going to solve a3 minus a2. a3 value equal to -1, then the formula -1 and -1 equal to -2. a4 minus a3, -3 -1, -3 plus 1 equal to -2. This is your answer is here. First term a equal to 3. Common difference d equal to -2. The next question of the last question of the first question means 7th question. 7th question is that if is given 3, -2, -7, -12. a1, a2, a3, a4, First term. This is your the first term is that a equal to 3. Common difference d we have to find a2 minus a1, -2 minus 3 equal to -5. Then a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2 equal to -7 -2. -7 minus plus equal to -5. Then a4 minus a3. -12 minus -7. -12 plus 7 equal to -5. Then your answer is here. First term a equal to 3. Common difference d equal to -5. Then there is your homework of the first question. Question number first, we have solved first, then you have to solve first question second, fourth, fifth. Okay.